Well, we've now TIG welded our front alternator boss after the key slipped off here, fell down into the chain, got stuck here, forcing this forward, and this completely came off. It was cracked, hair cracked around the top and the bottom, and the minute I started wire brushing it and stuff and cleaning it up with soap and water, it just fell off with the stud in it. So I left the stud in as a heat sink. I held it in place, and I actually had somebody else hold it in place. Tack welded it on the seam here and here, and then followed up with a bead around the inside. And we'll grind this off for clearance now, so that we can have clearance. And that boss is rock solid. The boss came off as one piece, shallow cut or shallow casting crack. So it was just the surface of the casting and the boss base. It did not go through, or else we wouldn't have been able to weld it, because the oil I would have had leaking into this crack, and it would have eliminated the possibility of welding without disassembly of the whole engine. And it still turns over, so there was no distortion in the case. So big problems fixed, and time to get this back together and make sure the key doesn't slip off and do something stupid like that again.